RRB NTPC General Studies Model Paper number 3. Which Prime Minister has earlier served as RBI Governor? Answer: Manmohan Singh. Which Prime Minister has earlier served as RBI Governor? Answer: Manmohan Singh. Burma became independent sovereign republic in which year? Answer: 1948. Raut Nacha is a dance form associated with which state? Answer: Chhattisgarh. The branch of zoology that deals with spiders is called? Answer: Arachnology. Delhi became the capital of British India in which year? Answer: 1911. Ayushman Bharat Divas is celebrated on? Answer: 30th April. Which organ of human is mainly affected by coronavirus? Answer: lungs. Bengal partition happened in which year? Answer: 1905. When President neither rejects nor ratifies any bill is called? Answer: pocket veto. The highest civil servant of the Union government is? Answer: Cabinet Secretary. Amaravati is situated on the bank of which river? Answer: Krishna river. River Ganga emerges from the mountain to the plains at which place? Answer: Haridwar. From where does Sabarmati river originate? Answer: Aravalli range. The most harmful radiation is produced by which type of reaction? Answer: fission reaction. Which of the organelle is known as the protein factory of the cell? Answer: ribosome. The 14th Dalai Lama resides in? Answer: Dharmashala. Homogeneous product is a feature of? Answer: perfect market. Reduction of aluminium in the presence of iron oxide is a highly exothermic reaction. It is called? Answer: thermite reaction. Who was the fifth of the 10 Sikh Gurus? Answer: Guru Arjan Dev. Hemophobia is the fear of? Answer: blood. Adventures of Sherlock Holmes is written by? Answer: Arthur Conan Doyle. An intrinsic semiconductor at absolute zero temperature is a? Answer: perfect insulator. Which ruler of Delhi Sultan took the title of Sikandar I Sani? Answer: Alauddin Khilji. 1931 pact was signed between? Answer: Gandhiji and Lord Irwin. Ooty Hill Station is located in which state? Answer: Tamil Nadu. What is the capital of Sri Lanka? Answer: Sri Jayawardhanapura Kotti. The word secularism was inserted in the preamble of the Indian Constitution by which Amendment Act? Answer: 42nd Amendment Act. Which country shares longest territorial boundary with India? Answer: Bangladesh. Who is the first Indian woman to become Miss World? Answer: Rita Faria. Which metal is known as a quicksilver? Answer: Mercury. Collagen is a? Answer: protein. Collagen is a protein.